Holy cow, baby.
Isn't that cool?
That is great.
It came from the Air Force, the USAF. It's a Air Force surplus. Thank you, Air Force. Good quality tools.
Oh, wow, that is amazing.
Get it loose.
And what goodies will we have hidden under there? And Randy's tall, but he's not that tall, guys. So he is standing on a scaffold here.
Isn't that cool?
That is amazing.
Now this should just pop off of there. Shit, I could reuse that, man. I didn't even booger it up. Yeah, here's Mama. She's got a big one on. Yeah. Oh, she pulled the hook. It's getting away. Yeah.
Nasty. Woo!
How was it?
It was a whopper.
It's a whopper. So that's down in the very bottom of these panels. She has to reach down in there with those pliers.
I have small hands, but
There's screws in there you gotta watch out for.
pretty mucky in there.
Look at her go. She is amazing. Oh, she learned how to use the tool tray. Check it out. The tool's back in the tray. You go, baby. You got it. You got it. Yeah. Black khaki stuff all up.
Yeah. It's dirty work.
Well, this is what Shelley spent a couple hours pulling out of the bottom of the walls today. Some pretty mucky looking insulation. And I got the back of the bus cleared away so it's ready to cut in two. This goes down to the air cleaner so it gets rebuilt after it gets done. But there's the back post exposed. And the back window is out. Got that armory piece of metal on the other side over there out. So it's the end of another good day. It's a long day though. I'm looking forward to when I can start adding stuff back instead of taking stuff off. But we're making great progress. I'm gonna get Shelley's ankle healed up and get her back more full time. Everything's working good.